Welcome back to life with Paula D. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So, so today I am going to be trying to put on a new shower head. Yeah, my last shower head, like I had on, it like, you know, as you can probably still see, like, you know, it just keeps leaking. So I don't know. I thought to myself, maybe, you know, if I change the head of the shower and all that stuff, like maybe I don't know, maybe that would do something to, you know, stop from the drops, because I'll be sleeping and all I hear is ting, 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 and it's like, man, it should be making me feel like somebody is like tiptoeing, or I don't know, like something going on in the bathroom, and I'm not with that. So, what am I doing? Or do I know what I'm doing? I guess I would say. Not necessarily, but I mean, I could read, and I mean, you know, at least the manual got, you know, like pictures and and shit. So, I don't know. We'll figure this shit out and see what we have to do. So I think for this big piece, it was saying that I gotta, like, you know, run it under some water or whatever the case is. So I'm gonna run this under some water. It says for like 60 seconds or something like that. And then let me see. Ooh, I need to get some new glasses. These just keep falling off my face. Yeah, it's just to place under the faucet and run under some warm water for like 20 seconds or so until the water is clear. Then you adjust it to the shower head mount. All right. So you gotta let some water go through it for a good little minute or so, and then until it's clear. So let me see. Wait, damn. I'm like, hold on. Okay, I think it's this way. Hold on, I'm gonna do it. Is that okay? It is this one. All right. So it says warm water. My water get pretty hot pretty fast. Well, I guess, it kind of picks its days. Oh my goodness. I'm honestly really hoping, and I'm not even saying this to say I'm going to jinx it, because I don't think this will happen, but, you know, like, imagine I put this junk on, and then I put the water on, and this shit just, like, fucking explodes while I'm in the shower and just knocks me in my fucking head. Oh, I'm going to be a gone bitch. Put a little bit more cold water in that bad boy. Okay. So we're gonna run this until it's clear. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you, the shit already looks like it's clear. Yeah. Okay, you know what? How about we do this? Alright, so we're gonna need this right here. Father, can you hear me? Okay. Came with another filter as well. And this is how the filter inside of it looks. Okay, we got all that part. Alright. Remove the shower head from the mount. Alright, so now we gotta put on this what is it called? It's called plumber's tape or something like that. It's called plumber's tape. So we're gonna put on the plumber's tape. That's this. Okay, so that's what that was. Because I was like, dang, like, what is that? Some glue or something? But okay, so that's plumber's tape. So, you're going to wrap this bad boy around this. Actually, I'm going to get my little step ladder. That way I can be, like, right over it. Where is my ladder? Where is the ladder? Where is the ladder? Okay. Found the ladder. Ew. I have confidence that I would do this correct. What the hell? I don't know. You weird little noises now. I low-key should get that stand. Damn, I just hit the fuck out my shoulder in that wall. I low-key should get that stand. Okay, that was this thing. That was this shit. Damn. She need a little WD-40, ain't it? Alright. I'm gonna put some gloves on it. Well, how do I take this off? It's very soft. It is very soft. I don't even know if this has like a beginning or... I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll be back. Okay, so I put it on. It said like, wrap it around like 2-3 times. So it's on there now. So what I think is leaking when it was put on, I don't think because I got, what are these called? It's called like, I don't know, a leak-proof gasket. So I didn't have one of these on it. I don't think when I took off the shower head, I saw one of these. And, ooh, Jesus, that was one inside the sink. Oh, the pieces are small too. But, yeah, it didn't have this little piece on it. So I feel like that's why it was leaking, whatever the case is. So it didn't really come with like, like a manual for real. This is like all I really got. So I'm really just looking at, the picture. So, honestly, on this picture, I don't see the little whatchamacallit. So, so I think, so with this, on here though, it says, you put the little washer piece on it. That's what this is. But I see like these little pieces right here, like the little gray pieces. I'm not necessarily seeing anything as far as putting those in, but I don't know, maybe it's not, I don't know, maybe it's not really needed. So, I'm like, will that stay? Will that stay? Will that stay? Okay, boom, it's gonna stay. Okay, so, no need to put into the shower head. You said no need to put into it, but shit, I'll just put this shit in here for the fuck of it. the shit you gotta do when you ain't got no big strong man. When you don't got no big strong man, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna put it up here actually. Okay, that's fine. So, yeah, we're gonna put this inside of here. As far as these little gray pieces, I don't know. We're gonna just keep it on enough for right now. Honestly, I could also look up a video on how to do this, but I don't know. I feel like maybe I should do that. But so it says I gotta like put this in there and then just tie it on to the not tie it, but just like, you know, hand tighten it onto the shower head. So ooh, don't bust your ass. Ooh. Don't bust your ass. Okay. Ooh. Don't bust your ass. Don't bust your ass. Okay, so we're gonna. Ooh. Okay. I'm doing this shit stupid tight. Alright, that bitch ain't coming off. Okay. So, alright, so we got that piece now. Alright, so we got that piece in there now. Ooh. In my ass. I'm down. Okay, so we got that piece now. Next, we put on this. I'm trying to see which way exactly I would put this shit on. Okay. So so it looks like this is facing this way and these two pieces are so okay, so this goes on I guess like this way. Okay, so Jesus. It's a three-way wrench. Okay, where is this? Okay, it's right here. All right, so okay, you won't stay up. All right, but I know that this goes in here. So we got the little gap piece or the little tape piece in there, and then the next one goes at this bottom part. Okay, so we're gonna attach this to, this supposed to be this loose? That shit loose as hell, hold on now. Is this, oh no, I thought that was a QR code for me to scan to like, upgrade something, but no. And I'm just confused, this shit came with a filter, but why the picture ain't got the filter on it? Hold on now. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I guess we're gonna just turn this piece now. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah. So you're gonna just turn this piece. Yeah, I don't like how these instructions came. What the hell? Okay, well, any which way. So you're gonna put this on at the bottom part now. Ooh, gotta climb back up here again. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Should I have put the tape on this part too? Oh. What the hell? Okay, hold on. This requires 2 hands. Hold on. I'll be right here. I'll be back. Alright, so it's on now. Now we got this piece, the shower, the little hose piece. Oh, first of all, hold on. Pete, you know what I'm saying? Got on the Rick and Morty side, you know what I'm saying? Got the Rick 5, you know what I'm saying? Don't nobody got them new Rick and Morty 5s now. I can't, well, I could, oh, hold on. You know what I mean? You ain't got no Rick and Morty 5 now. Don't play with me now. Don't play with me now. Okay? Anywho. So now Jesus. This could be done by one person, but I feel like this would be nice if it was 2 people. Just so I can have somebody holding something in my hand. Or somebody holding something so I could look at both. Okay, okay, hold on, cause what is that? A washer piece too? Oh no, that's just this piece. Okay, so will this come off? Okay, cool. So it already has the washer piece inside there. A screen washer piece. Okay. So, oh, it did say to use this. But I ain't gonna lie, this shit look big as hell. This gonna look. Oh, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I guess it probably will fit. But you know, it was saying, wait. Yeah, this shit. Okay. Okay, hold on now. Yeah. Okay, had to hold this shit. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, that bitch locked in like a Buddha hole. Okay, so now we got that. Hold on. Okay, which end goes to where? Okay, so this piece goes onto the bottom part. And this piece is attached to the shower head part. So, what these little 2 little pieces here for? See, they ain't even telling you what every piece is for in this bitch. But I put the leak thing in one of them, so. And this goes in the other 2. Oh, okay, so those are just like replacement pieces because it got like the little clear ones inside here too, so. Okay, so they're just replacement pieces, like extra pieces. Just in case I ever take it off, like whenever I need to change the filter or whatever. This is nice. They don't got no roaches or anything. Okay, hold on. I got too excited. Forgot I gotta put the little leak pieces in. I'm not gonna lie, it's maybe a little slanted, but hey man, bear with me. Bear with me. Okay. So, boom, that's in there. Take it off, put it back on. Like it's slow. Okay, now where's my little? Yeah. Oh. I cut myself. What the hell? When did that happen? Okay, well this ain't working, this piece. I don't like how this is kind of like sticking out a little bit. Maybe it's not supposed to be like. Maybe just try and turn this around. Bitch, I caught the bus. Nobody supposed to be here. Yeah, this shit smell like some damn pennies. Bitch, I caught the bus. I don't know, maybe this is all supposed to be, but I just would prefer this should be on all the way. Okay, well, I couldn't find my other gloves, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of, you know, the little doctor gloves. Oh shit, hold on. Oh. Okay, there we go. Thought I had some in the closet, but okay. All right. Okay, we're good. Okay, so now this piece goes. Okay, so this one goes in here. I don't know, I wonder, do I take this off? I don't know, I don't think so, because this one matches that one, so. Bitch, I caught the bus. Okay. So, I'm quite sure I'm gonna need two hands for this shit as well. So. Well, I don't know, maybe not. Can we Gently put this down here. Ugh. Okay. We're gonna climb our little way up here. Okay, so this one goes here. Ugh. Ew. Okay. All right, well, that's on there. Now let's get the little ranch. I call this ranch. I call this a ranch. Ranch. Let me get the little ranch. And tighten this up a little bit. Let me see it on this side of this side. Yeah, boy. Okay. Oh shit. All right, maybe. Okay, that's good. All right. All right, it's in there. So now we gotta put on the big boy. Uh-oh. Look at how shiny this is. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch, look. Hold on, bitch. Just hold on, bitch. Oh, bitch. So we can see ourselves. Ooh. Right now you guys looking like some retarded motherfuckers. I don't know. What the hell? This shit got it looking like them little mirrors that be at the fairs and all that stuff. Oh, that's what that shit was. Okay, so those little gray pieces are pieces for the shower head. So like in case that, one falls out or whatever the case is, I could just put it back in. But it only came with like 3 of them, like the hell. But oh, almost forgot one little piece. Hold on, let me make sure we go on that little piece. Okay, hold on. Okay. 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 So now we're gonna put this in here. And screw this on. Bitch, I cocked the butt. Okay, now let's try and hold this up and. Oh, okay. Oh, I guess I'm supposed to put this up. Well. Okay. That shit will just keep on hitting the back of that. Okay, it looks like it's on now. Okay. Whew. Okay. We're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere. Now I'm trying to think which side I want to put this piece on now. So I'm trying to think. I want to keep it on this side. Okay, yeah, let's do this. And then this gonna be hitting up this. I don't know which side I want to put this on. I don't know, I think I'm gonna put it on that side, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put it on that side. So now, we got this little adhesive piece. It's already dry and wiped off. Okay, now how did this come off? I'm lucky when I stand inside the tub, but it's like I kind of don't want to. Well, first and foremost, let us try and turn this on before we. Let me make sure we go back to here. Okay, got everything on. Okay, so let's try and turn the water on a little bit to try and test it. Okay. 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 Ooh. Can you see the water? Oh yeah, you can. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. Trying to make sure that every last one got water coming out of it. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. Hold on, let me pick this up so I don't splash some water everywhere. Try out the different settings. Okay. Ooh, damn. Okay. Ooh, okay. Yeah. 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 Okay then. Ooh. Okay. Well, okay. Oh, bitch. Who need a plumber? Bitch, who need a plumber? Bitch, me, because I'm still some shit going on with this toilet, bitch. I can't do that. So yeah, bitch, I still do need a little plumber or whatever, but we did that. Fuck, we did that. Hold on. Hold on. We did that. Strong black independent woman. Yes, period. 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 Okay? Okay. Did that. During Black History Month. Oh, okay. Alright, so we said we gonna put it on that side. Let me go ahead and actually put it on. Ooh. Oh no, the stand got wet. Uh-oh. Oh shit, stick to my hand. Ooh, okay, hold on. Okay. Bitch, I caught the bus. Ew. Okay, hold on, let me grab it. Get this shit sliding. This shit sliding. Okay. We gonna push that bad boy on there. Just Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. We did that. We did that. Oh, I didn't even like see what time I started on this. But we did that. We did that. I mean, with the timer is like 20-something minutes. So we gonna say like, you know, we're gonna say we did about like 30 or so. But hold on, cause we did that. We did that. Hey, we did that. So that means the problem with the other shower head I had was simply, it just didn't have the leak-proof thing inside of it. Cause I don't understand why it was doing that. Okay, so now we just clean up or whatever I do at the end of the day. Okay, yeah, we did that. We did that. We did that, y'all. We did a high five, y'all. We did that. We did that, y'all. High five. We did that. We did that. Ooh, I'm hyped as hell. Oh my god. Okay, we got this little itty bitty ass box, so we gonna just put all the remainders up in here. Yeah, we can take these little pieces out here, throw them in here too. Make sure everything is empty. Oh yeah, we did that. We did that, y'all. We did that. We did that, y'all. Ooh wee. Well, the shower head is on. I don't have to hear no more drippy droppies in the middle of the night now. So I don't gotta tweak out no more thinking that it's something in my window trying to come and get me and take my goodies. So, you know, till next time, you know, appreciate y'all for watching. You know, another day in the life of Paula D. You know what I mean? Until next time, stay black or not. Drink water, you know what I'm saying? Because water is good for you. Drink a bottle of water before you go to sleep and it prevents heart attacks. Don't quote me on that, but it was in a book once, or maybe an article. I don't know. But drink it. It's good for you, but not too much. Till next time.